Welcome to Learning Algebra with Ms. Rodriguez. By the end of this video, you will understand how to solve equations with variables on both sides. What is the solution to this equation? Here we have an equation with variables on both sides. In my image, I can see I have an example along with a suggested outline of steps I should take when trying to solve an equation. So my first step says to distribute. Remember, distribute means multiply. So because I have this 2 on the outside of a parentheses, this means I want to distribute into everything inside the parentheses by multiplying. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is positive 6, so I will put a plus 6. And then I'm going to bring down everything I did not use. I did not use the equal sign, the 3x plus 2 plus x, because the right side had no distribution. Step 2 is to combine like terms if possible. So like terms are kind of individual. You want to think same variable or number without variable on the same side. So I'm going to look to the left and see if there's any like terms. So 2x plus 6 is not like terms, so I can go ahead and bring that down. However, on the right, I have the 3x and another positive x, so I can combine that to be 4x. And then the 2 did not have any like terms. Now my third step is to move all variables to one side. Because I have a 2x on the left and a 2x on the right, I'm going to go ahead and move this variable by thinking opposite operations. So a suggested step is to move the smaller one. You do not have to do this. However, this way avoids negatives. So because we have a positive 2x, I'm going to do the opposite by doing inverse 2x. And I'm going to line it up with my variable so I don't get confused what number I am subtracting from. So 2x minus 2x is 0, so it cancels out. And 4x minus 2x is 2x. So I can go ahead and bring down my positive 6 and my positive 2. Notice that my positive 6, I did not include the plus sign because I no longer need that to separate it in between two terms. So now I want to move constants to the other side. So the 2 is a constant, and I want to move this to the 6th side. So positive 2 means minus 2 on both sides. So I'm left with 2 minus 2, which is 0, and 6 minus 2, which is 4. Now, in my last step, I want to remove the coefficient. This is a step where I use multiplication or division. So because the 2x is being multiplied with x, the inverse is to divide. So I will divide both sides by 2, which gives me an answer of x equals 2 as my final solution. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow educators or students.